In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and distribute a Google Docs template. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable document that your teammates or clients can copy and fill in without changing your original. First, open Google Docs. You can start with a brand new document or open an existing one you want to standardize. If you're repurposing an old file, clear out any content that shouldn't be part of the template, keeping only structure and sample placeholders. Next, format the document so it guides people through what to enter. Use the Styles menu to apply Heading 1, Heading 2, and normal text rather than manually changing font sizes. This keeps everything consistent and makes it easier to navigate. Add placeholders wherever users should add content. Brackets work well, like project name, owner, or due date. You can also add short instructions in light gray or italics to make it clear what belongs in each section. If your template is longer, consider a title page, clear section headers, and a short introduction that explains how to use the document. Add page numbers, a header with your organization name, or a footer with the document version if that helps. Tables are great for structured data, like timelines or budgets. Keep the formatting simple and consistent to avoid layout issues in copies. Before moving on, skim through to ensure all placeholders are obvious and there's no sensitive or personal content left behind. Now, rename the document so it's clearly a template. Click the title at the top and give it a descriptive name, such as Project Report Template or Meeting Notes Template. This makes it instantly recognizable in search and shared folders and helps avoid accidental edits to your master copy. Finally, distribute it the right way. Click Share and set the access so others can view but not edit your original. If you're sharing widely, choose Anyone with the link and set it to Viewer. Copy the link and send it to your audience with a quick note. Open the document, then go to File. Make a copy to create their own editable version. Remind them to rename their copy and store it in their own Drive or shared team folder. This preserves your master and ensures every user starts from the same structure. That's it. You've created a reusable Google Docs template, clearly labeled it, and shared it so everyone can make their own copy without touching your original.